Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of how to end a listing on eBay. Let's get started. First, ensure you're logged into your eBay account using your email, username, or by continuing with Facebook, Google, or Apple. If you're new to eBay, you can create an account by choosing either a personal or business account and entering your full legal name, email, and password. Alternatively, you can sign up using Google, Facebook, or Apple. Once logged in, navigate to the upper right corner and click on My eBay. Hover over the selling section. Ending a listing on eBay is straightforward. Fixed price listings can be ended at any time, while auction listings can only be ended early under specific circumstances. In your dashboard, you can access your active, sold, and unsold listings. To end a listing, locate the specific listing you wish to end. Click on the listing, and you'll see an option to end listing in the upper right. This process is the same for active, sold, and unsold listings. If you have draft items that you no longer need, you can either resume or delete them. This is similar to ending an active listing. If you encounter any issues while trying to end a listing, click on the Help and Contact button in the upper portion of the page. Here, you can find guides to assist you in ending a fixed price listing or learn more about the conditions under which you can end auction listings early. Thank you for watching today's video on how to end a listing on eBay. If you need further assistance, feel free to explore the Help section. See you in the next video.